Click on the brush icon to access to site styles. Select colors. Select Edit Palette. Here are the 5 main colors that make up your website's color palette, ordered from lightest to darkest. You can change to another preset color palette. Update an image to generate a palette, or generate palettes from a chosen base color. Your color palette generates different color themes for your page sections. To change the section color theme, click on Edit Section, then Colors. Here you can find every color themes generated from your chosen palette, ordered from lightest to darkest. Select a color theme that vibes with this section. Click on the paintbrush icon to further customize every elements of the theme. Make sure to click Save to apply all your changes. Thank you for watching.